Wait, how do you do this again?
Oh.
Well, for those of you that are new, welcome folks, Flipknot here. And for those of you who have been around, thanks for sticking around and coming back for more. Red lights. Doesn't say no right on red. So one of my really good friends always says,
Never make videos apologizing for not uploading.
Here we are. That's the video we're going to make today. And the reason we're making this video today is because there's been a lot of you asking where I've been. And, you know, I've been living my life. Now, when you say you've been living your life, when you say it like that, it sounds like you've been at the beach, you know, laying poolside, drinking some pina coladas. Don't get me wrong, it's been a lot of drinking, just not for leisure. It's medicinal at this point. It's been one hell of a goddamn year. It's been a rough time. The cool thing about COVID ending is that I had to go back to a full-time job, which I never wanted to do. This close to YouTube making me rich. But that didn't happen. Quick bullet points of over the last couple of months have been, got my first motorcycle back up and running. Apparently it's a new project that is never going to be finished because I'm always going to see something wrong with it, like these rusted out bolts and, you know, just like cable management and like I need to get it painted. It's never going to end. It's never going to be over apparently, but you know, lifelong obsession and love with motorcycles is people have gone poor for worse reasons. Gambling. Now, I haven't been away because of lack of wanting to. It's just been a lack of time and imagination. And when you come home exhausted from being on your feet all the time, I want to shut off my brain and just watch dick and fart jokes for a couple hours before I pass out. Wake up in excruciating pain to do it all over again for the next 12 hours. That's been the life. That's the life of a bartender, and that's, you know, the hell I chose.
That's how Josh does it.
Ooh. Yeah, well, Josh is fucking crazy. I really do miss making videos. I have so many ideas. I have a freaking whiteboard in my room. It's like, make this video, make that video, make that video, make that video. And they all sound so freaking cool. And like, I really think I would like, enjoy it. But I also felt that like coming off the cuff, like, here's a review of a product, turns into me sounding like all I'm trying to do is make you buy shit, which to a degree I am. But I want to give you an informed opinion as best I can. So, you know, I want to do a review like that. You're getting products videos. I don't care. Shut up. We got a whole laundry list of Christmas items that you can get your significant other who rides the motorcycle. That's going to be coming out soon because, quite honestly, there's a few things that I think people should have when you ride a motorcycle. Oh, synchronized. And since I've gotten back into bartending full-time again, there's been a reinvigoration of the idea of how to make a YouTube, how to do like bartending YouTube. I've been watching bartender YouTubes for the last 15 years, and the majority of it is all the same crap. Crap as in like, they're just the same. There's only so many different ways you can cut. There's only so many ways you can, I don't know, skin a deer, you know what I'm talking about. There's only so many different ways you can talk about the same thing, but the last couple of years of doing YouTube and learning how to do things and focusing on the idea of storytelling, which I'm still freaking horrible at, I have ideas of how to do bar style. Seriously. You're going 20, it's 20, 30. But I've gained ideas of how to incorporate bar into situations. I talked about this in another video. Shut up. Whatever. I've been longing for this. It's been forever. I'm gonna. Sorry, bud. Hell, I even want to make a video about all the things I do wrong on a motorcycle. I've over the few years, you find out that like, oh, you're not supposed to do it like that, you idiot. And then you find out, I found out how and why I do it like that. And it's like, oh, that's funny because of this thing. I don't know. I'm babbling at this point. It's just, the more I want to come back to YouTube, the more I want to do it again, the more I feel like I need to reintroduce myself without just coming out with just straightforward whatever, you know. The people who have been here, you've been great. And I appreciate it. And you guys have been fantastic, and there's been nobody like my patrons. They stuck with me through this whole thing, and through this whole thing, I've been trying to give back to them as much as freaking possible. Every month I've been doing a giveaway, doing cocktail stuff now, like cocktail sets and smoking sets. I've done, motorcycle stuff. I've given away gift cards to JMP Cycles and whatever. Like, I'm trying to, give back to these people who are taking care of me at the same time and root me on and believe in whatever I was doing and thought I was doing something good. And then there's certain people that also say all the time, like, you've helped. And, I feel like most of us kind of want to figure out why we're doing what we're doing, and helping others sometimes. Knowing that you've had an effect helps a lot sometimes. Hey, I'm going to ride my shitty motorcycle through one of the most expensive neighborhoods in Tampa. Good idea. It's also interesting, like, one of the bigger problems I've been having with making YouTube videos is that I live less than a mile from home, and I go to work, I come home, I go to work, I come home. I don't even wear a helmet anymore, if I'm being completely honest.
The majority of all accidents happen close to home.
Shut up. There's no reason to. And on top of that, I'm a bartender, I look good, I put my hair up, I put a lot of effort and time into it like a little girl, and again, I don't want to put on a helmet to, after I did my hair. On top of that, going 60 miles an hour really quickly helps dry it. Looks great. Best blow dryer you can buy. Right here. That's not sketchy. And somewhere in the middle of all this, got a girlfriend who keeps threatening to make me look as stupid as possible on YouTube because I'm a freaking goofball. Again, side of me you guys have never seen. I'm an idiot. Trying to be all Mr. Macho Motorcycle guy all the time. Oh, it's exhausting, isn't it? Isn't it acting tough? Isn't it exhausting acting tough all the time? Isn't it, guys? Ooh. Oh, well. Either way, I've already got some videos filmed. I just haven't had time to, edit it. Like, my new Senna. Thanks, guys. You're the best. What are you doing with your hands, you idiot? The last and final touches to the 48 from JMP Cycle Build, and thank them again. I want to, now that I've been on it and dealt with a lot of the new parts, I really kind of want to dive in a little bit more comprehensive on certain aspects of certain things. And this Koso speedometer, I love it. It's really difficult, and it's really difficult to find stuff on it. So I kind of really want to do an actual video on just this one thing, and why you should consider spending $500 on that. Whatever. I don't know, man. Guys, folks, I just hope you're happy to be watching this video. I hope you come back for more, and I hope you enjoy this and you get a little bit excited. This channel is going to be shifting from just purely motorcycle stuff to just kind of whatever I want to do, but still going to be very motorcycle centric. Still let me ride my motorcycle. I just don't get to ride it far as often as I used to, which, man, you get a girlfriend and put her on the bike. Now, I like riding alone. We enjoy trips sometimes, but just make my motorcycle. Get off. And I really don't know anybody who wants to talk to themselves in front of their significant other and look as crazy as freaking possible. Still something I'm getting used to. Whatever. Who cares? The sun is basically setting at this point. I'm gonna go get me a burrito and then just sit there and regret every life choice I've made and feel disgusting about myself. But, we try to do what makes us happy, right? Burritos make me happy, but they make me feel fat. Where's the line? You tell me. How do we do this again? Whoa, 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 whoa. This is why you need a 360 camera. It's gonna be on the shopping list. What? Let me get out of high-risk traffic to do the outro. Because this guy right here is just, did you run out of battery, Tesla? Can you not go above 2 miles an hour? Did that dude just record me on a motorcycle? You gonna spank it later? Gonna spank it to that? Vroom, vroom. Yeah, look at me. Vroom, vroom. Spanky. Naughty idiot. That guy's not impressed. Things get funny when you let the voices in your head come out of your mouth. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, man, the police force is just... PT training for the police needs to go up. A lot. I'm sorry. Look, I'm just saying, if I look at a cop and I go, I could get away with crime because you can't catch me, what's stopping me from doing something mischievous. Alright, nerds, I'm signing out. Let's see if I can remember how this works. Don't forget to like this video. Do not forget to subscribe. And as always, I'll catch you on the flip side.